Hello and welcome to English Practice Daily, the podcast for learners who want to speak English with more confidence and joy. I'm Jason, and I'm here to help you speak English more naturally, step by step, day by day. I will be speaking slowly and clearly so you can follow me and repeat after me. In today's episode, we're going to talk about something very useful and very real: how to speak English at the restaurant. Even if you feel shy, even if you don't live in an English-speaking country, even if you never ordered food in English before, this episode is for you. Many people think they need to travel to London or New York to speak English well. But that's not true. You don't need to live in a big city. You don't need a native speaker next to you. You don't need to study for hours every night. What you need are small, smart steps. Steps that are easy to repeat. Steps that fit into your daily life. Steps that help you feel more comfortable, more natural, and more confident using English. So let's begin. Let's start with a simple situation. You walk into a restaurant. You see a waiter. You want a table. What do you say? Let's imagine the conversation. Waiter, good evening. How many people? You, just one, please. Waiter, right this way. Would you like a booth or a table? You, a table is fine. Thank you. Waiter, here's the menu. I'll be back in a few minutes. You, great, thanks. Now let's repeat together. Just one, please. A table is fine. Thank you. Great, thanks. Repeat slowly. Repeat naturally. Repeat with feeling. Let's try shadowing. I'll say a sentence. You repeat after me. Don't stop. Don't translate. Just echo the sound. I'd like to see the menu. Now you repeat. I'm ready to order. Now you repeat. I'll have the grilled chicken. Now you repeat. Can I get a glass of water? Now you repeat. Could I get the bill, please? Now you repeat. Very good. That's shadowing. At first, it feels a little strange. You may not understand everything you hear. That's okay. Shadowing is not about understanding every word. It's about training your brain and your mouth to work together in English. It helps you get used to how English sounds, how it moves, how it feels in your mouth. If you do this often, even 5 minutes a day, you will start to speak faster, more clearly, and more naturally. It's a small habit with big results. Now, let's talk about the main question. How can you practice restaurant English every single day? Many students tell me, Jason, I want to learn, but I don't have time. I'm always busy. I feel nervous when I speak. I don't know how to start. And I always say, you don't need a lot of time. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need to wait for the right moment. You just need to begin. Let me give you 5 simple and powerful ways to practice restaurant English every single day in your real life, wherever you are. Listen to restaurant English every day. This is the most important step. If you want to speak better, you must listen more. Not once a week, not only in class. Every day. Listening helps you learn new words. It helps you hear the real rhythm of English. It trains your ears to understand faster. And it helps you get used to how real people speak, not just textbook English. So how can you do it? You can listen to podcasts like this one. You can watch restaurant scenes in movies. You can listen to YouTube videos about food and dining. You can listen to short dialogues or role plays. You don't need to understand 100%. Just let the sounds enter your ears. Even if you understand only 30% or 50%, it's still useful. You can listen while you walk, while you cook, while you clean, while you rest. Just 10 to 15 minutes a day is enough to make a difference. Make English your background music. Shadow what you hear. Now that you're listening, the next step is to use your voice. Listening is great, but speaking, that's how you grow strong. After you hear a sentence, repeat it. Copy the voice. Match the rhythm. For example, I like the pasta. Repeat. Can I get a side salad? Repeat. Do you have any vegetarian options? Repeat. I'll have the soup to start. Repeat. Could I see the dessert menu? Repeat. Do this daily. Repeat the same sentences again and again. You will notice that your speaking becomes smoother. Your pronunciation becomes clearer. You feel more confident. And remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be practice. Think in English one thought at a time. This is one of the biggest changes you can make. Start thinking in English. At first, it's difficult. You want to translate from your native language. But translation takes time. It slows you down. So, how do we begin thinking in English? Start with short, simple sentences. Say them in your mind. I'm hungry. I want something warm. The menu looks good. I think I'll get pasta. I'm not sure what to choose. Later, try to say them out loud. Just whisper or speak quietly. It's like a daily conversation with yourself in English. Read aloud. Train your speaking muscles. Reading silently is good, but reading aloud is better. It helps your mouth, your tongue, and your brain work together. Choose short, simple texts. A restaurant dialogue. A menu description. A food review. Read it slowly. Then read it again a little faster. Then again with more expression. Imagine you are an actor. This helps your pronunciation, your fluency, and your confidence. It's like going to the gym, but for your speaking muscles. Use restaurant English in your daily life. Let me tell you something very important. If you want to speak English well, you should not only study English. You should live with English. What I mean by that? I mean that English should not just be something you do for 30 minutes on Monday night. It should not only happen in your classroom or in your study book. It should become part of your real everyday life, just like your morning coffee or your favorite app. The more you see English, hear English, and use English in your life, the more natural it will become. Change your phone settings to English. Write a short diary in English every day. Just 3 sentences about your day. Today I went to a cafe. I ordered a sandwich and tea. The waiter was very friendly. Record a 1-minute voice message every day. Talk about your day, your plans, your feelings, or something you learned. Join an English-speaking group online. You can write short messages. You can send voice notes. You can ask and answer questions. Watch short videos and repeat the sentences. TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts. Choose videos about food, daily life, or funny clips. Watch the same video 2 or 3 times. Pause and repeat the sentences you hear. Try to copy the voice, the way they speak, their tone, their speed. Turn small daily actions into English practice. Instead of saying good morning in your native language, say good morning. Instead of writing your to-do list in your mother tongue, try it in English. Instead of watching 5 minutes of TV in your own language, watch 5 minutes in English. These small actions build strong habits. And strong habits create confident English speakers. So remember, make English part of your life. Let it be in your phone, your journal, your thoughts, and your voice. Let it be part of who you are, not just what you study. When you do this, English will not feel like homework. It will feel like something you live with. And that's when real fluency begins. See you next time.
Don't forget to click the bell icon to get notifications for new lessons. I look forward to talking with you again soon. Goodbye, and have a wonderful day.